This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make many poached eggs at once. First, grab a large pot and fill it with at least 4 inches of water. For every quart of water, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Now, bring the water to a gentle simmer, aiming for about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This careful preparation is key to perfect poaching. Next, crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This makes it much easier to gently slide them into the simmering water without breaking the yolks. You can cook up to 6 eggs at a time in a standard pot, but avoid overcrowding. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes for that ideal runny yolk and perfectly set whites. Keep an eye on them. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the pot using a slotted spoon. To stop the cooking process immediately and preserve that lovely texture, transfer them straight into an ice bath. This step is crucial for make-ahead poaching. You can then store these cooled, poached eggs in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, completely submerged in cold water. When you're ready to enjoy your pre-poached eggs, simply reheat them. Gently submerge the chilled eggs in a bowl of hot, but not boiling, water for about 30 seconds. This warms them through without overcooking the delicate yolks. Once reheated, serve them immediately on toast with avocado or as part of a delicious brunch. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.